Wala na.
Madumi na pala.
Ano
Diba?
ba yan?
Pwede na pa kasi punasan.
Punasan ko kasi kanina, ayaw naman niya mag-ano.
Kailangan
Kasi, red.
Red.
red
B,
up.
huwag ka magalit, B.
Sorry.
What are you guys doing?
Eto, message.
Ang dami nagpupuso, no?
Welcome, remember to. Oh, ayan na.
Tari,
Ano,
tari
di
naman
ba
ang mang pabangs ng ni Mama Dong.
Oh, di ba?
Bagay,
Bagets.
ma. Bagay.
Bagets na.
Opo.
Ano, pupunta kami sa birthday, di ba?
Mm.
Ano, meron na 42 na.
Oh.
Ano?
Ba't ka sumagot pa? Sabi mo good night, tapos in-invite kita, sabi ko, tingnan natin. Pumasok ka na.
Eh,
Ay, gising ka
syempre.
pa.
Nag-invite ka eh.
Wala lang. Siyempre,
Gusto mo
kailangan
ba ibaba ko?
invite. Ay, yabang. Siyempre, kunyari lang yan, nag-invite in case free, di ba?
Ah.
Free of
Okay.
charge.
Bye. I know you can't hear me, but I miss you. It's okay, guys. I know that she can't hear me, but at least she looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh,
Din ako. Ay, you're still there.
she's back. Look at that.
Tag pa din.
No, you're actually pretty good now.
Mm.
Yan, sige. But ako, matutulog na because it's like
Sige.
5 or past 5 a.m. here. And
Wala, grabe ka.
I
Tulog ka na,
pack.
Chris. Ano ba yan? Nakakaloka.
Why?
Eh, 5 a.m. na dilat ka pa. Loka ka. Matulog ka na.
I just wanted to see you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Good night.
Good
Ingat kayo.
night. Good night na, Katie. Can you say good night?
Good night, my Katie loves.
Night.
I missed that face.
Good night daw.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Good night, Mr.
Night.
Bye.
Bye, Mama Dong. Bye. Did you call, what's her name?
Pero gusto lang nyo ng ibang SIM card kasi minsan itong kumahina. Bila ako
Huh? Huh?
ng SIM. Naka-SIM. Tayo. Si
Guys, tell
Francie.
her
Ako
that
tayo mo ata.
tell her that we can't understand anything she's saying.
Ay, sorry na po. Hello?
Oh, nga,
Yeah,
parang robot chick.
Week?
Robot. Robot yan.
Yes.
Oh,
O-M.
Parang ganyan.